Monster bus chasing kitten loses control. It crashes cars and everything on its way.
Nothing escapes me now.
Bye!
Love you, Mom. You are a great mom. What a cool bus. I am loving it.
This wasn't an invasion. It was a delivery.
An alien spaceship is spreading green liquid on school bus. What is their plan?
Oh no, why?
Kitten and his friends are running out of bus, which has become a monster. This is really insane.
Oh no, what is wrong with our cool bus? How we will go to school?
This monstrous bus is not going to stop. Big danger and challenge is about to come.
Oh no, Mama, please help me. Please, please. Why this bad bus is chasing me, Mama?
Now, Monster Bus is using fire to burn a property.
This city will burn with your silence.
Help! It's the school bus! It turned into a monster!
We're coming to deal with the monster. Hold tight.
I won't go back! I won't!
Oh my gosh, this bus is normal now. Yahoo!
To keep watching such interesting stories, #subscribe to Funny Tides.